planning strategy. The moment we have our first child, wow, this one like the princess. So we get endowment policy, we do investment, we do everything we can for the first child, right? And then what happened? Second one appeared. Okay? Got resources or not? Okay lah, have still got big balance, right? So you get smaller policy, right? And then parents never learn their lesson. They have one more. Okay? Then what happened? This is what's left for the youngest one. Is this common or not? Very common, right? Right. So for me, I've managed and worked with about 600 over families. That's why as a single guy I can tell you so much. Okay? But this is very, very common. The worst thing that all parents dread is when this little one go into the stage of asking why. Why, mommy? Why Koko and Zeze got more policy than me? More insurance, more investment. Why? How are you going to answer them? Because as parents, you want to be fair, right? How many of you plan to be unfair one? Don't have, right? So all want to be fair. But because we don't know this, we didn't have a strategy. When life comes at you, you often caught wrong-footed. So you just do at a point in time because you didn't plan. But if you plan well, this will be then the way to go. Right? Create a family education fund. Have an education fund for the entire family. Set aside the best you can set anyway. Right? So set aside the best you can set anyway. Right? I've developed a tool, a financial tool. Right? It's called a financial ruler. Right? This financial ruler will later help you. I'll explain later how you can set aside the best you can set anyway, so that it doesn't matter how many children you have. This is the best you can do anyway, right? Then you set it on a central basis, just like your CPF MediSave. Individually earned, but centrally utilized. The whole family can use. Okay? So same thing, you have a fund like this, you contribute to it, but the whole family can use these funds for their educational growth. Okay? So this is a very, very important strategy. If you can't remember anything, I think this is one thing you should remember and plan for when you want to plan for your children's education funding. Okay?